The East Khasi Hills District Administration held a meeting today with representatives of the Shillong Cantonment Board and police officials to discuss the illegal settlement at Lum Survey. Speaking to media persons, the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District S.C. Sadhu said that the government has sought for the action taken report from the Cantonment Board as the land belongs to the Defence Estate.
As we discussed it today, we are forming a joint committee of our office and Defence Estate Office and from Police and Municipal Board, and we are sending a team. So in addition to this law and order report that we are getting from the police, so as soon as we go for field inspection and verification, we will take immediate action to ensure that these activities should be stopped.
Cabinet